Okay, here is my screencast for MapMyRun. Let's go to my profile. You can see my privacy settings. My default is private for my workouts. Okay, then I created some routes, whatever you want to say, potato, tomato. My route. Okay, my first route, normal run, private setting. Follows the streets here, but then here goes off course. Okay. And then we have my there and back setting. Takes me there, takes me back. And here is my shared route. That is public, is not private. Change the settings on that one. Okay. And I have shared this route on Twitter. Okay, let's go back to my bookmarks. Routes, bookmarked routes. I like this one, I guess. I bookmarked it. My workouts. Okay. Okay, whoops. Training, go to my workouts. These workouts were imported from my MapMyFitness app. Here they are. So it shows that I'm connected if you click. Connected here to my MyFitnessPal. And I believe that should be it. So there it is. There you have it. MapMyRun.